English-Tagalog expressions using alam. Alam ko ang totoo. I know the truth. Alam mo ba ang nangyari? Do you know what happened? Hindi ko alam ang sagot. I don't know the answer. Alam mo kung saan tayo pupunta? You know where we're going? Alam natin kung nasaan siya. We know where he is. Alam niya ang lahat. He knows everything. Hindi niya alam ang ginagawa niya. He doesn't know what he's doing. Alam ko ang pakiramdam mo. I know how you feel. Alam mo kung gaano kita kamahal. You know how much I love you. Alam ba ito ng nanay mo? Does your mother know this? Alam ko na ang balita. I already know the news. Narinig mo na ba ang balita? Have you heard the news? Wala akong alam dyan. I don't know anything about that. Alam kong mali ako. I know I'm wrong. Alam namin ang panganib. We know the danger. Alam ko hindi ito madali. I know this is not easy. Alam ko na hindi mo gusto. I know you don't like it. Alam mo kung nasaan siya? Do you know where he is? Alam ng Diyos ang lahat. God knows everything. Alam mo ang kantang ito? Do you know this song? Alam kong may pag-asa pa. I know there's still hope. Alam ba niya ang tungkol dito? Does he know about this? Alam namin na mahal mo siya. We know that you love her. Alam mo ang kahinaan ko. You know my weakness. Alam kong napapagod ka na. I know you're tired. Alam niya kung kailan aalis. He knows when to leave. Alam ko ang kahihinatnan nito. I know the outcome of this. Alam ko kung sino siya. I know who he is. Alam kong masaya ka. I know you are happy. Alam kong kaya mo yan. I know you can do it. Hindi niya alam na nandito ka. He doesn't know you're here. Alam kong nagsisinungaling siya. I know he is lying. Alam kong di siya darating. I know he won't come. Alam niyang galit siya. He knows he's angry. Alam kong di siya darating. I know he won't come. Alam ko ang kanta na yan. I know that song. Alam ko kung saan nagsimula. I know where it started. Alam na nila ang lahat. They already knew everything. Alam na nila ang sikreto. They already know the secret. Alam ko ang pagkakaiba. I know the difference. Alam mo ang katotohanan. You know the truth. Alam kong iniisip mo siya. I know you're thinking about her. Alam ko ang kasalanan ko. I know my fault. Alam mong hindi ito tama. You know this is not right. Alam ko kung paano ito gawin. I know how to do this. Alam ko kung ano ang gusto mo. I know what you want. Alam ko na hindi ito madali. I know this is not easy. Alam kong kailangan mo ito. I know you need this. Alam niya kung nasaan ka. He knows where you at. Alam ko ang pinanggalingan mo. I know where you came from. Alam ko kung saan ito. I know where this is. Alam ko ang limitasyon ko. I know my limits. Alam mo bang aalis ako? Do you know I'm leaving? Alam ko ang pakiramdam mo. I know how you feel. Alam kong may dahilan ka. I know you have a reason. Alam kong mahal mo ako. I know you love me. Alam mong mali ito. You know this is wrong. Alam mo rin ba ito? Do you know this too? Alam ko ang kwento niya. I know his story. Alam ko ang ibig mong sabihin. I know what you mean. Alam niya kung kailan siya titigil. He knows when to stop. Alam ko kung bakit ka umalis. I know why you left. Alam ko kung gaano kasakit. I know how painful it is. Alam mo naman na gusto kita. You know that I like you. Alam kong tumulong ka. I know you helped. Alam kong may tinatago ka. I know you're hiding something.